There's two things that I wanted to talk with you about. One was Cornerstone content. I don't know if you saw the training that I put out on Cornerstone content and how we're utilizing that in order to help our clients grow. Did you get a chance to see that?
Which one? The email with the where you put up some content?
No, it was just it was actually a video that I produced that talked about Cornerstone content and how you can utilize it in order to help grow your business. A lot of people, what they do is they'll generate content and publish it into social media, which it only lives for about 24 to 48 hours. And what we're doing and what's helping out with a lot of our clients is we're taking that same type of content, whether it's repair videos, customer testimonials, or something like that, and we're adding it to your website to increase the reach and presence of your actual website organically. And that helps out with both paid and organic reach. And I didn't know if you had seen that or...
No, I didn't see it.
You didn't see it? Okay. So I was working on, building out your city pages in order to increase the reach of your website. One of the things that we've been working on real hard is actually to make the website bigger and broader. There's only a couple of one main page on the website. I want to make you look bigger. I want to make you look, have a bigger reach. The way that we're doing that is I'm building out city pages in each market we want to target. And those city pages are going to have specific information on the product and service that you're offering in those markets. So over time, as you can see, we're building out those additional pages on your website are going to give you a lot more reach, and we're going to command more attention online. We're all fighting for attention out there, and I want to give you the best opportunity available to attract as much business as you possibly can in those markets that you're targeting. Does that make sense to you?
Yes, we need business, that's for sure.
Okay. Well, here's what I'm going to request from you. And this is one of the things that, we're doing with a lot of our clients is what I'd like to do is work with you a little bit closer on a week-to-week basis and build week-to-week. One of the things that I've been reaching out to you for is, media production around, the customers you're serving, customer reviews, and then also educating customers about the value of paintless dent repair over traditional repair methods, regardless if it's for dent and ding repair or automotive hail repair. What I want to do is I want to work with you to generate this content so that we can organize it on your website to give you that look and feel and that presence online. So it's been kind of one of those things where I've been waiting kind of for you to take the lead on that. What I'd like to do is help drive the process by meeting with you on a weekly basis and then just working week to week and focusing on your sales and marketing efforts. How do you feel about that?
Feel good.
Feel good about that?
Yes, sir.
Okay. I'm gonna so what I'd like to do is between now or I'd like to pick a time with you. What time generally works best for you? Monday, Tuesdays, or Wednesdays?
Right now, we're not busy at all now.
Right now? You mean during this time every week?
Yeah, I mean, anytime. Any day is good for me.
Okay. Because I want to set up a schedule. Because again, anything we focus on is going to expand. We need to focus on, really driving, your branding and your messaging out there, so that you get to improve that reach and everything like that. And, the only way we're going to do this is get on the same page and make sure that, we're building week to week. So what I'll do is I'll schedule some time. I'll send you an invitation and we'll jump on a call just like this on a weekly basis. We'll talk about what we've done over the last week, what we've produced, and how we're utilizing it on a go forward. And we'll just stay super focused on, building out your presence and commanding more attention online. How does that sound?
Sounds good.
Okay. So between this week and next week, What I'd like to do is work with you in regards to getting one piece of Cornerstone content. Whether that's, repair video, a customer review video, and or an educational video where you're talking about the benefits of PDR in the industry, whether that's, preserving the factory finish, what it really means to, get your repair work done via a body shop versus, paintlessly, and how it is that, you're adding value to the market with the repair process that you undertake. So that's the first thing that I would like to work on with you directly. The second thing I would like to work on, because this is one of the things I think you'll get a lot of legs out of, is getting some bio from you. One of the things that I miss on your website that I see on a lot of other websites, a lot of competitors.
Like about us page?
Huh?
Like about us page?
Yeah, not only about you, not only about the company, right, but about you, right? Who you are, how you got started, that kind of stuff. The About Us page, how long the business has been around, all that stuff that kind of creates that backstory in regards to connecting people to what it is that you do, so that we can take that and organize it and provide it to somebody in the event that they're looking for it. We want to be able to tell that story and make you look like a hero online. As it sits right now, we don't have much information in regards to the company and or the owner or technicians. We have some of our other providers that they actually do a technician spotlight page, like a bio page on each technician that they have working for them. So we can take this as far as you would like, but at a minimum, what I'd like to do is just get some more information on the company about us, when it was established, how long you've been in the industry, when you took over the company, all those really important things that people are interested in. And then also kind of your story, when you came to the country, if you want to, go back that far, say, hey, what we've got, because I know a lot of times when people say, hey, I've got an immigrant's mentality means, I work harder and I deliver a higher quality product because I'm not really from America. I don't feel entitled or anything like that. I know that, it's an incredible opportunity to live here in the United States, and we deliver this in the quality of the work that we deliver. We can take this story and we can, create something really powerful for you online.
Yeah. My wife already made something for the About Us page.
Yeah.
She has some content, but we haven't talked about it too much lately.
Well, the only way we're going to be able to get this thing done is if we focus on it, on a regular basis. Turning dents are great, but turning dents don't produce more business. So my job is going to be to drive the sales and marketing effort within your organization and, really focus with you on a week-to-week basis. And let's just build week to week. Let's sit down, focus on it for a half hour, say, hey, what are we doing? What's working? What's not? What are we going to do over the next 7 days to grow this business? And I would assert that if we do that for the next, 52 weeks or however long it takes, we're going to see a completely transformed business that is different than it is today.
Yeah, it should be. It should improve every day.
Yeah, absolutely. Absolutely. So that's what I wanted to talk to you about, kind of set some goals between now and next week. Let you know what I was thinking, and then get on the same page with you so that we can focus on the same things and work together in regards to the build out.
Makes sense. So I need the video that's gonna be like informational video, or
you know what you pick. I like the three areas. I like, either information on the work that you do, meaning that you're documenting a repair process. And, that repair process is just proof of the quality, right? Information on the clients you serve, customer review videos are incredibly powerful. I think that they're probably the most powerful part of your marketing strategy.
People don't want to do it. People don't want to do that there.
People don't want to leave you a customer review?
Like a video review. Reviews we get like once.
Yeah. Well, have you have you tried my strategy, the called the afterglow strategy?
What is that?
You haven't seen that. You haven't seen that training yet either. Do you know after, I equate it to this, is it if you do really quality work, right? And you deliver the product to the customer and you say, hey, what do you think of your repair? And if they're really satisfied and they go, hey, you know what? I really like your repair. This is amazing. I didn't think you could do it. They're basically a raving fan at that point. That's right after you've delivered the product to them. There's two questions that you just ask. First and foremost is, hey, could you do me a small favor? You liked your repair. Could you do me a small favor? And just wait for them to respond. If they say, yeah, absolutely, I'll do you a small favor. The next question is, what I'd like to do is I'd like to record a short video of what you thought of your repair so that I could utilize it in order to promote my business. Would you be open to that? They've already agreed to it, right? So they're going to feel like, hey, you know what? I have
asked people like that, and then they're like, no, we're good.
Okay. Well, you're not going to get everybody, but I guarantee you that you'll get a higher percentage of people with that process than you will, trying to get them at a later date or, maybe coming back to them and saying, hey, you know what? We're putting together these review videos. Would you be open to doing one for us? So that process right at the end of the repair can be incredibly powerful. And I would just encourage you to do it and, get as many customer review videos as you possibly can, because we can definitely utilize those to create social proof for the quality of work that you are providing and, let other people promote your business for you as well.
Yeah.
Fair enough?
Yeah, I just need more Google reviews.
All right, my man. Well, we need all kinds of reviews. Reviews are incredibly powerful. We need to stay focused on that. We'll stay focused on it on our side as well, driving reviews. If you stay focused on your side, we'll come together and, work on this from both sides, and we'll put together a winner for you.
Hopefully. All right.
Make sense?
Yeah.
All right, my man. Well, hey, the only difference between you and, the guy down the street who's, crushing it or has more market share is execution. We just need to execute better than they do. I've been studying your market. There's some market leaders out there. None of them are executing their strategy. They're not building out on their website on a weekly basis. They're not focused on customer reviews. They're not focused on the things that are going to grow their business into the next year, into 2020. They've got a foothold. They've got an advantage because they've been there longer or they've created something that looks appealing online. But where you can take ground is by executing your strategy better than they do. That's your sales and marketing strategy. So I'm going to help you do that, and let's execute over the next 7 days.
Let's do it.
All right?
So what do I need? I need the bio for the website. I need the video, and that's it. And we're going to get on the call next week?
Yeah, well, let me check my schedule, and then we'll get on the call about the same time next week. And again, it's just going to be 20, 30 minutes tops. Just sit down. Hey, what did we do over the last week? How much ground did we take? I really want to start assessing our execution of the strategy that we're putting together.
We have to, otherwise it's not good.
Yeah, absolutely. Absolutely.
You have to track stuff.
Awesome. Well, hey, let's get to work on it, huh?
Yeah.
All right, my man. So work on the bio, work on the about us, and then the one cornerstone piece of content over the next 7 days. And I'll continue working on my side on your city pages to target every market that you're looking at. We're going to create pages for each one of those, and also working on your conversions. So those are the two things that I'm focused on over the next 7 days. We'll come back together. We'll show each other what we got, and then we'll work for the next 7 days.
All right.
All righty?
Cool.
All right, V. Well, hey, it's good to be in partnership with you, man. I'm gonna work my ass off, make sure we help you grow your business, and reach out if anything comes up. Okay.
Okay.
All right, my man. I'll talk with you real soon.
Talk to you. Bye.
All right. Bye-bye.
Bye.